Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to remove Temu minimum purchase limit. So guys, the first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to temu.com, and from here just simply sign in into your account. And once you are signed in, just simply go to the support over here on the right side of the screen, and a drop down will show up, and just simply go for a chat with Temu. So now from here on the chat with Temu, just simply go to the message and just simply type it in here, remove minimum purchase limit. So just simply go ahead and type on that and click on this send icon. And after that guys, since I don't have an order yet, I won't be able to show you, but if you do, you will have two options. You will have yes, I would like to add more products, or no, I still want to remove the order limit. So just simply go ahead and click on no, I still want to remove the order limit. And after that guys, you should be able to remove the Temu minimum spend limit. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!